Hi, I'm a real property manager.
I'm also a property manager.
No, you're not a real one.
Says who? You?
Yes. I have a property manager license and I'm a member of the National Association of Residential Property Management. You're not licensed. You just dabble in property management as a side job.
I have a license.
Yeah, a driver's license. Anyway, don't rent from this guy. Go with Real Property Management Hampton Roads. We're a professional organization.
Hey, rent from me. It's less paperwork and less fees.
We've been in business since 1985, and we manage over 3,000 single-family homes, duplexes, and apartments worth several $1 billion.
Hey, I've been in business for a while too, and I manage lots of properties.
We have a professional staff, and we rent between 15 and 30 properties a month.
Who needs a staff? I save money by doing everything myself.
We also take care of maintenance and repair problems. We have a cadre of professional and preferred vendors in all service areas to fix problems quickly for the tenants and at reasonable rates for the homeowners.
Yeah, why go through all that? I can fix anything. I'm a jack of all trades.
And you'll have to wait months to get that AC fixed.
Well, yeah, some problems are complex.
Our staff is there for you. We can be reached day or night, and repair issues can be sent to us via email, text message, or through our website.
Yeah, who needs a stinking website? Tenants can call me anytime. Let me see, check my voicemail.
Your mailbox is full.
Minor inconvenience.
Case closed.
Hey, I could just go check email.